Why the private school teacher wants to be a government teacher?
If you compare a government student, government school student and a private school student, you will see the difference clearly.
School teachers are focusing on each and every student there.
Yes, they do.
Then why private school teachers are promoting their coaching center?
First of all, I want to tell you that it does not matter which school it is. All that matter is studies. Good evening. My name is Abdurrahman and today's our session is all about private school and government school. I am in the favor of private school. So, first of all, I want to tell you that it does not matter which school it is. All that matter is studies. See, no matter that is private school or government school, if the school is providing good qualities of studies, then that school is good. So, if I come to my first point, private school provide good quality studies to the students. And we see that in government school, teachers are not teaching their students good. They are only doing formality. If I talk about my second point, private school also provide us bus facilities, van facilities, so that a student can go easily to their home safely. Because we seeing our society, students are not safe.
Salam ma'am for giving me this opportunity and all sitting here. This is Deepak Kumar and I am from Bihar. Today we are talking about government school is better than private school. How? I have some data. You are talking about affordability. India's population has 1.4 billion people, and under poverty line 196 million people under poverty line, and 732 million people live in low class, and most of population live in lower class. They cannot afford the quality of private school educations. Totally 936 million people from 1.4 billion people may say they cannot afford because their income is 1.2 per 1 lakh per annum per annum per year for a family. So if I talk about a private school fee, minimum fee government school private school like 1500 for only fee, and with including clothes, dresses, books, and maximum including the clothes go there like 25,000 rupees, 2,500 rupees, sorry, per month. But in 36 million people has income only per month, average only per person 1,000 rupees per person. I talk about per person. So they cannot afford. The largest people in this area, they cannot afford 936 million people. You can.
So many schools are providing the scholarships to the students.
Also, private teacher want to become a government teacher. Why? Why private school teachers want to be a government school teacher? You all are like 2 or 33 years. All data is the present here. Now present time government school is very improving. Yes. In rural area you can see in Kinsru like everywhere a smart class, like government school do a smart class, government school in library provide government school have a very big area for play is present time in last 1 year. But improving, the government school is improving.
But still, I see in government school there are not good infrastructure. That
They are sending their children in private school. Yeah. Sending in government school also.
Wow. Please give me a data.
Deepak says also why the private school teacher wants to be a government teacher. Yes, but there is also.
So give me the proof.
My school, I also see lots of teachers. My teachers are going to fill the form of the government school to become a government teacher. If you want, I will call them and I will talk to them.
This is not personal, guys.
One more question. One more question.
That's the reason I don't want to go to the proof. Because if you
Listen, we are talking on the fact, and the thing is,
You guys are asking for facts.
Yeah.
See, I'm answering you
If you
that.
for the fact the government teacher wants to go their children in private school, that I also ask you a question: why the private teacher wants
To the teachers, but the thing is, the why are the private school teachers wanted to send why are not private school teachers wanted to send their children to the government school, because they also know na what is the condition of the government school nowadays, and why the point I'm highlighting of him, which is why are they providing the smart boards now? This is no need of as you're talking about gurukuls and all, there was no need of the private.
Yes, but-
So they are improving with the high benefits also and higher cost also. This is all a equalized proportion of everything.
But-
that if they are providing something, they'll get something.
But that's the reason private school are providing with the charging the fees, but the government school is not charging the
See.
any single fees
See.
with the student.
We focus on each and individual student. We have standards. If a student is not able to mark up to that standard, we do not take him into the school. This is the reason why our school is charging money, because we want to the outcome, the output of what students that we have, and our students are disciplined. You know, if you compare a government school student and a private school student, you will see the difference clearly. Okay, and we have extracurricular activities. We spend a lot on the annual functions and all kinds of debates. You may not see that kind of activities in a private school. And as we have said that we have already had a debate why English is important. We all know, no matter how much you deny it, English is needed everywhere. Okay, even if you buy a smartphone, it will first ask you in English that what kind of language do you want to have in the mobile. We have better securities. I have seen even some kind of wild animals have entered into the government schools. So we have even better security, and most of the times government school teachers are late, and we have seen government school teachers do not pay attention individually on each and every student. Okay, most of the time the students are mess. No matter how much you deny it, but it is the truth. You can visit any school anytime. You may say that there are high level school like we have in Delhi, but if you talk about all over India, I don't think each and every school are going to be of that level. Okay, and we know, as we have seen videos, and that government school teachers are sleeping during the class. That's another case. And there is one more thing: why government school kids are not that much better as compared to the private schools. There is one thing that the kids who are in the primary school, they have to be passed no matter how much they fail. Even if they are not doing good in academics or in any other thing, the teacher who is in the government school has to pass them. Okay, no matter if he doesn't have good grades or not, they just mix up the grade and just pass the students. And
That in private school, teachers are focusing on each and every student there.
yes, they do.
Then why private school teachers are promoting their coaching center? School teachers are focusing on each and every students. Then why private school teachers are promoting their coachings?
I've seen almost the government teachers provided the student in coachings and all, and they also said कि you are not provided my tuition classes and you are not afford my tuition, you are not class.
But in the private school, ma'am, in the private school, result depends on the wait, let me complete, ma'am, please. In their hands, but in the government school, results they depends on the government, not in those teachers.
Okay, so I want to conclude your both points, which is that first thing that you told about that the teachers provide private teachings also.
As you told that
Private coaching.
quality of education is good in private schools.
Yeah.
Then why private school teachers are promoting their coaching?
See,
First give me the answer of why.
This is the thing of the teachers, not about the private schools. The private schools are not providing that.
I'm talking about the private school
Private-
teachers. First,
man,
listen my point carefully.
We are not talking about the teachers. We are not talking about.